Hello everyone. This presentation is about foot rot of papaya. This presentation is made by Patel Ria. So foot rot of papaya, this is a plant disease. This is also known as collars or stem rot or root rot and damping off. This is the most serious disease of papaya. In India, the disease appears during the rainy season. It is more common in trees of age 2 to 3 years. The symptoms in case of nursery plants, damping of symptoms are produced, whereas in adult plant, foot rot, collar rot symptoms are produced. Foot rot is characterized by the appearance of water-soaked patches on the stem near ground level. These patches enlarge rapidly and girdle the stem, causing rotting of the tissue, which then turn dark brown or black. The affected internal tissues give a honeycomb-like appearance. Simultaneously, the terminal leaves of infected plant turn yellow, start dropping and fall off. The infected plant cannot withstand a strong wind and topple down to die. If the disease attack is mild, only one side of the stem rot and the plant remain stunted. Fruit, if formed, are shriveled and malformed. Gradually the plant dies. This is the structure of this disease. Pathogen. Causal organism is Pythium. Mycelium is aseptate, brown and much branched. Sporangia vesicle formed at the time of germination. Zoospore 30 to 40 in number present within the vesicle and are born on spherical oogonia. They germinate by producing a germ tube. The sexual spores are the oospore, born singly and moderately thick-walled. Disease cycle. The pathogen is soil inhabitant and is capable of growing and surviving on the residue left in the soil, where it produces abundant oospore in the decaying organic matter. Spread. Primary infection, oospore in soil. Secondary infection, zoospore and seedling raised in infected soil carry the disease to field. This is the life cycle of Pythium. So favorable conditions appears from June to August. Younger seedlings are more susceptible than older ones. Severity increases with intensity of rainfall. It is severe in dry and hot weather. Common in 2 to 3 years old trees. Management. The disease can be avoided if plants are grown in well-drained soil. Affected plants should be carefully dug up and destroyed by burning. Replanting should not be done in the same pit where disease has once appeared. When trees are weeded, care should be taken so that no injury is caused to the base of the stem. Seed treatment with thiram or captan. Drenching with copper oxychloride or Bordeaux mixture. Control incipient rots of harvested fruit by dipping fruits in hot water for 20 minutes. Avoid damage or injury to papaya stem during cultivation. Control apnical snails, they can vector the pathogen. Thank you very much.